Welcome back to Auto Turbo Wheels. Today, we're diving into the most electrifying comeback in sedan history, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SS. Buckle up, because this isn't just a revival, it's a rebirth of legendary muscle with a modern twist that'll leave you stunned. From the moment you catch sight of it, the new Impala SS commands attention. Picture a bold, aggressive, face-sharp LED headlights that slice through the night, a broad, sculpted hood, and a grille that snarls with intent. Its silhouette is low and powerful, sleek curves meeting muscular haunches that evoke pure performance. DNA, this is not merely a sedan, it's a statement on wheels. Slide inside, and you're greeted by a cabin worthy of modern luxury. Plush, leather seats, meticulously stitched and bolstered for spirited drives. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a pared-back digital layout elevate the experience. The dash is tech-forward, think Super Cruise hands-free driving. A performance heads-up display, magnetic ride control, and a premium infotainment system that connects effortlessly. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a thunderous 6.2-liter LT2 V8. Yes, real muscle car power, tuned for today's road. This engine produces a staggering 495 horsepower, delivering pulse-pounding acceleration and a roar you'll feel in your chest. Performance aficionados, get this: 0 to 60 in what feels like a blink, torque propelling you forward with intent. Yet, Chevrolet didn't stop there. For those seeking a balance of power and efficiency, rumors point to hybrid or turbocharged options in the Impala lineup, not necessarily SS trims, but available elsewhere in the 2026 Impala range. Where does the Impala SS fit in the market? More than just a Chevy, it's a muscle sedan that stakes claim in a world dominated by SUVs. With its combination of powerful performance, refined tech, and the practicality of a spacious four-door, it's poised to redefine the enthusiast segment. Takes aim at cars like the Dodge Charger and Cadillac CD5V and throws down with swagger. Let's talk release details. The Impala SS is hitting the scene now in 2025. Grabbed the spotlight in first look videos just last month. For pricing, the base 2026 Impala non-SS is estimated to start around $27,000, with top trims approaching $45,000. The SS will likely fall at the higher end, but with its performance pedigree, it promises value for true driving enthusiasts. Chevy revival stories like this don't come often. Impala's SS legacy dates back decades. First introduced in the early 1960s, it became a symbol of American muscle and performance. Now, nearly 60 years later, SS returns not as nostalgia, but reinvention. Why this matters? It brings true V8 muscle into a modern, tech-savvy package. It's a rare, compelling alternative to the SUV craze. It keeps the muscle sedan tradition alive, bold, unapologetic, and exciting. Here's what to expect when the Impala SS rolls into showrooms: a thunderous presence in both sight and sound. A refined cabin filled with tech, comfort, and performance-first ergonomics. A driving experience that's visceral, not just in power, but in responsiveness, agility, and connection. That's the 2026 Chevrolet Impala SA's reimagined, reborn, ready to rumble. Let me know if you'd like a follow-up dive into pricing details, comparisons with rival sedans, or upcoming road test coverage. Until next time, keep the turbo spirit alive. This is Auto Turbo Wheels, and we'll burn rubber again soon.